If you have a large PDF file that won't upload because the file size is too big, here's the fastest way to compress it for free online. Welcome to Rich Beat Guides. Let's get straight into it. Open your web browser, head to Google, and search for I Love PDF. Click on the official link at the top, and from the grid of tools, select Compress PDF. Click the large red Select PDF Files button. Choose the PDF document you want to shrink from your computer and click Open. On the right side, you'll see 3 compression levels. Stick with the default recommended compression option. This gives you the perfect balance of maximum size reduction without losing any text or image quality. Click the Compress PDF button at the bottom. Within a few seconds, the tool will automatically shrink your file, show you exactly how much space you saved, and download the newly optimized PDF straight to your Downloads folder. If this quick fix saved you some time, smash that like button and subscribe to Rich Beat Guides so you always have a tech toolkit right in your feed. See you in the next one.